Katie here. So today I have a get ready with me, but before we start the get ready with me, I wanted to do a little Ana Luisa haul. So the holidays are coming up. If you guys want a great discount, I will have my discount right here. But yeah, I love Ana Luisa. I have gotten Ana Luisa products as gifts before, and yeah, they just make great gifts. If you've never heard of them before, they are a jewelry company. They're very affordable, and I love them because they are tarnish resistant, and also they're just really cute and trendy pieces that you can wear for either special occasions or everyday use. I personally wear them every single day. So yeah, so let's get into the haul. First, I'm gonna show you guys this necklace. This is just like a really pretty, delicate choker. Would you call this a chain? It's just like a really cute gold chain, and this is called Ina. I will have everything listed down below. Next are these really pretty earrings. They're basically like gold rectangles. One is a solid texture, and then the other one is like a rope texture. But how stunning. These have been on my wish list for a while, so I decided that I would get them. And then last but not least, I have these earrings right here. These are really cute. These have actually a post in the back. But I thought these were really unique, and they kind of just hug your earlobes, so that's why I got them. So it's basically like a square cut diamond sort of vibe, and then there's like a huggy piece right here with a pearl. You can also remove this, which I didn't know, so that's pretty cool too. If you just wanted like the stud, you can just wear it like that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this haul. And without further ado, let's jump straight into the get ready with me. So guys, that's it for my get ready with me. I hope you guys really enjoyed. I honestly had so much fun with this makeup look. I really wanted to do something blue for winter time. I don't know. And it matched my outfit. And I actually got a lot of compliments today on my makeup look. So yeah. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. Again, I will have my discount code right here. I will also have my special customized link down below if you guys want to shop through it. But yeah, definitely treat yourself to some goodies if you would like. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!